Legalzoom is a popular online legal service provider that offers a range of services to help small business owners set up their legal structures. If you're starting an e-commerce business and looking to set up an LLC through Legalzoom, here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Choose the package that's right for you. Legalzoom offers several packages for setting up an LLC, ranging from basic to premium. The basic package includes the filing of your articles of organization with your state Secretary of State office, while the premium package includes additional services such as a personalized operating agreement and an EIN application. Choose the package that's right for your business needs and budget. 2. Provide basic information about your business. Once you've chosen your package, you'll need to provide some basic information about your e-commerce business, such as its name, address, and registered agent. Legalzoom will use this information to prepare and file your articles of organization with your state Secretary of State office. 3. Customize your operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. While it's not required by law, having an operating agreement in place can help you avoid disputes and ensure that your business runs smoothly. Legalzoom offers a personalized operating agreement as part of its premium package. You can customize your operating agreement to include information about the members, their roles and responsibilities, and how profits and losses will be distributed. 4. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, or EIN, is a unique number assigned to your business by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. You'll need an EIN to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. Legalzoom can help you obtain an EIN as part of its premium package. 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your e-commerce business, you may need to obtain licenses and permits from your state or local government. Legalzoom can help you identify the licenses and permits you need and provide guidance on how to obtain them. 6. Open a business bank account. Opening a separate bank account for your LLC is important for keeping your personal and business finances separate. This can help you avoid personal liability for business debts and make it easier to track your business expenses for tax purposes. Legalzoom can provide guidance on how to open a business bank account and what documents you'll need. 7. Maintain compliance with state and federal regulations. Once your LLC is up and running, it's important to maintain compliance with state and federal regulations. This includes filing annual reports with your state Secretary of State office, paying taxes on time, and complying with any applicable laws and regulations. Legalzoom can provide ongoing support and guidance to help you stay compliant. In conclusion, setting up an LLC through Legalzoom for your e-commerce business is convenient and cost-effective. Legalzoom offers support and guidance, allowing you to focus on business growth and protect yourself from personal liability.